Okay, we're going to take a quick sprint through how to set up an Arduino, or at least my experiences with it. First thing is you have to buy it. It's about $35 from Radio Shack. We see here it's the board model Uno Arduino, and just be careful when you grab one because there are lots of different makes and models and they're all slightly different. I think this is the simplest version you can do. In addition, you'll need a light emitting diode, LEDs. Here's a pack from a long time ago for about $2.50. Any color's fine. What does matter is that you put the right side, the short side, in the right socket, and the long side, which is the positive side, in the right pin out. And I'll show that in a second. The other thing that you'll need is a cable for power, so a USB 2.0 cable. Printer cable's fine, or just reroute your use your existing printer cable to do what you got to do. Then there's finally the setup of this on the PC side. You need to go into your control panel system, then device manager. You can see it up there at the top. That'll open up this window, and then if you go down to ports and you have your Arduino plugged in and it's working, you'll see it says Uno R3 COM3. Then when you go ahead and you start up the Arduino software, you just click on the icon. You'll have to download that from the website, the Arduino website. I say run. There it is. It comes up with a blank program to start. I do file, open. I'm going to go ahead here and just pick the simple program to test it. And this is provided with your copy of this little development environment. I just made that full size so you can see the full program. As you can see, it's pretty simple. At the very bottom is where messages occur. So let's do this. Let's compile it. So we hit compile. It's compiling the sketch. You can see basically 1K out of 32K has been used. Not surprising since it's not doing all that much. We go ahead and we do uploading. It's done uploading. And then at this point we can go over here and we will see our Arduino board, and we can see that it's blinking. And then I mentioned the polarity earlier about the LED. You can see that it's in ground and 13 is the pin out. On the other side is a little red reset button, which you can do to reset the code if you want to put new material in. There's a great example of what this picture looks like, or what this setup is if you look here, you can see that you have cathode and anode going into 13 and ground, which is exactly what we have here. And that, in a nutshell, is the first Arduino program that you'd be running. Oh, one thing I should show real quickly, and I forgot to do this actually, is if you go into Tools and you go ahead and you select Board, you're using the Arduino board there, and then here's our COM3, which was the whole point of going to the system part. So that's it. Thanks.